Let's raise our hands. Forward ever, backwards never.
Forward ever, backwards never.
Okay.
Never backwards.
It's freedom ever, backwards never. That's why you see his hand. Yes. Pointing. Yes. Freedom. Yes.
Forward.
Backwards never. As you can see this statue, in our traditional setting, when the king is in the public space, the onlookers go before him. They announce the arrival of the king. Kwame Nkrumah never died. Okay, Kwame Nkrumah never died. That while Kwame Nkrumah is here, the onlookers are blowing the horn, informing the whole world that Kwame Nkrumah never died. Water is life. There you can see water flowing through the horn. Okay, let water is life, and as far as we have water, we will never die. Um, Here we have two major traditions. Okay, the southern tradition. So Kwame Nkrumah is wearing this kind of cloth. Okay, because he's from the south. And those from the north, they you can see two
Is our African brothers and sisters from the diaspora that want to connect with their roots. They look
Okay. Fine.
to ask them permission.
So we can do one with the shape now. If you have your shape, oh, you have.
So, hi guys. Like we said, our brothers and sisters, the African Americans, want to come back to the motherland. They want to connect with their roots. So, in this video, what you are seeing is African Americans that have come to the motherland, gladded in kete or kete cloth, and they are looking very, very beautiful and handsome. This is their way of connecting to the motherland. This is their way of finding or connecting with their identity. Yes. So,
Mine that come from the US.
oh,
So I have
okay.
different travel guests that come in. So I just curate different experiences for them, do all the excursions and things. So after they're done, we'll do the guide, the tour guide. But I want them to have an experience of
That's
dressing up
beautiful.
and-
So they want to connect back to their roots by wearing the kente.
and it's their first time here as well.
Okay, yeah, this
Oh.
is good.
Their first time reason for coming to Africa. Like we like to hear stuff like that.
Okay. When we're, because we're gonna kind of break off into living grieving. So all their American friends came to support.
Oh,
So really, that's why they came to support.
That's nice. That's nice. So from here you go to the Independence Square.
We'll do that another day.
Oh.
Yeah, I've got a whole itinerary for the week. So today, after we do a guided tour here, I'll just head into a beach club to relax because they've been busy back to back with different things. So that later in the week we'll do the Independence Square, Makala, all of that. So yeah.
They are doing good. That's nice.
Thank you.
To come into my Memorial Park, we met these beautiful ladies from
Paris
So,
and Cameroon.
so these beautiful ladies are from Paris and then Cameroon.
Yeah.
We are going to talk to them briefly to ask them their experience in Ghana and if at all, if this is their first time. So hello, ladies.
Hi.
So nice meeting you too.
Me too.
Is this your first time coming to Ghana?
Yes, it's my first time.
Oh, really?
Yes, it's our first day. Yeah.
Ghana.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, so what inspired you people to come to Ghana?
First of all, the culture, because it's from Africa, and we want to visit Africa and
You chose Ghana just
the culture Ghana also.
Oh, okay. So when you got to the airport
Mm.
and you start seeing the country, what is your first? How do you see Ghanaians?
They are so nice. They are
Friendly.
friendly. Yeah, they are. I think honestly, because my English. They are honest. Yes. They are
Oh,
honest.
okay. So these are French-speaking people. So though they are from Cameroon and Paris, they are not fluent with the English language. But then they said Ghanaians are so friendly. They like the culture and food.
Yes, the food
What
also.
food have you eaten so far?
Jollof rice. Me yesterday,
Which food did you
jollof
want
rice.
to eat?
It was amazing.
Fufu and what?
I just taste the jollof rice, but I would like to eat the yam fried.
The fried
The
yam.
fried yam. Yes.
Oh, okay. But why do you want to taste the jollof? She
No,
want to taste
I
jollof.
taste jollof yesterday.
How was it?
It
Ghana
was
jollof.
very good.
Do you eat jollof in Paris?
No. Jollof.
It's not good in Paris.
Yes, it's not the same.
Oh, okay.
Jollof Malian, yes.
So far, what
What Ghanaian language have you learned so far? What's your first word? What can you say in Ghanaian language?
Only Akwaaba. We didn't speak with Ghanaian language.
So
Only
your first word is
Akwaaba. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
And now when you go to the airport, it's called Oobaakɛ.
Obaak3.
Yes.
Akwaaba means Obaak3.
Yes.
Okay.
That means welcome. This
Okay.
place is a Ghana.
Ekala.
No,
You know,
that's no. We have
Ghana,
different languages
Okay.
in Ghana. So when you got to the airport, you saw what? Akwaaba. Is that what you
Yes.
see?
See.
You saw Akwaaba
Yeah.
at the airport. So
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yes, I saw Akwaaba.
Akwaaba.
Akwaaba. Like welcome.
Yes, so Akwaaba means welcome.
Mm.
Okay. So you said you like the food, you like the people. Would you like to have a Ghanaian boyfriend?
I'm here.
Why not?
wants. Yes. You don't want a Ghanaian man? Why? Have you heard? Oh, it's like she has experience. You have any experience? No.
any experience.
But what have
But
you
I have friends who have experience with Ghanaian boy, and they say we have too much. You, what is
Pride.
it, Ricky? You like woman?
Yeah, woman.
Ah,
You don't
you
like
like teach.
Yes.
You like
Teaching.
Cheating,
Yes.
yes.
No, we don't like cheating.
Oh, no,
It's
that's
still-
All men
It's
are
everywhere.
chilling.
oh,
Ghanaian.
Ghanaian, we are faithful.
No.
Ghanaian men are faithful. Ghanaian men are faithful. So, how long do you people intend to stay here in Ghana?
I do 14, like
2 weeks, and me, I do 10 days.
10 days.
So this is your first day
Yes.
here in Ghana.
No.
It's Ada
Oh, yes,
on level. Ada.
No.
No.
It's
There
a
is
town.
a part here
No,
in Ghana called
Ada.
Ada. It's very beautiful.
Okay.
It's an island. It is full of islands. Yes.
You have
but
pictures?
You have to use the jet ski and move on the river and the
Okay.
sea. Yes. Will you like to visit there?
Yes, of
Have you
course.
heard of Aqua Safari?
Aqua Safari.
Aqua and Treasure Island.
You have to do that.
Have you heard about Akosongo?
No.
No. Then so from here, where are you guys going?
They are now new.
Yeah, so I know.
Yeah.
How do you expect to tour the country? Will you be going tomorrow? How do you want to
We have a plan, but we didn't remind the name
The name of this
of the
place.
place.
You can see there.
Oh, okay. Hi. Come and see. Come to the places they intend to go. So what is your name?
So my name is Alice
Alex bro.
from Italy.
How long have you been there?
I just arrived yesterday, but I'm supposed to be stay here for 20 days.
Okay. So far, how do you see Ghanaians?
Oh, they are really good people. Like they they're good people. I like them.
They are good people. Let me stand there. So for how, which language have you learned so far?
She arrived today.
Yesterday.
I never learned
Any language. So shall I show you? We are here. This place is Ghana. So welcome. Welcome is Oobaakɛ.
Obaak3.
Yes.
Okay.
And we have, the Ghana is very huge. They are huge people. We have Ghana, Adambe, the Kurubus, and other one. The Adan itself, we call it Muyi. Say it, let me say.
Muy,
Mu,
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 ye,
mu, ye,
muye.
muy,
Ah.
Can you say Weasel? Say
Weasel,
Weasel.
Weasel,
So Weasel means you are welcome.
Welcome.
So say it and let me hear.
Weasel.
Say it into the mic. Weasel. So we're
Wais-
teaching you.
Wazon is Ewe language. Then we have the Votarians. They are the one that say Wazon. This place is Ghana, and this is the capital city of Ghana. So we say Oobaakɛ.
Obaak.
It's a new name that they are changing.
Okay.
Those days when you go to the airport, I think it's still there. When you go to the airport, we have Akwaaba. Have you heard Akwaaba? Yes, that's what it is. And the Ghana people said they want to use their language. So when you are coming at the entrance where you see the price, they have Oobaakɛ into brackets, welcome.
Oh, okay.
So when you are going, you can check it and see.
Okay.
So now,
I'll check it.
what you've learned so far, you've learned three Ghanaian language, words in Ghanaian language. So say it. What have you learned so far? Say it.
Oobaakɛ,
Obaak3.
Wazon,
Weasel,
and Akwaaba.
Akwaaba.
Alright. So Akwaaba, Weasel, Oobaakɛ, to you. Welcome to Ghana.
Thank you.
Okay.
Nice one. If your name.
My name is Alice.
Alice. Okay. I'm SK. SK.
It's good.
Okay. Thank you.
Alright, bye.
Bye.
So guys, you see the boy. He said he has not seen a cock before. So he want to come and take picture of the cock. You see Krasi for Italy. They are from Italy. She's taking picture of the fowl. You see the villagers. These are the people we call villagers. See, when the first time seeing a fowl. I don't want to cook that. Oh, Italy. Hello. Hello. Oh, yes, see, Krasi. We move no more Krasi for no.
Which country are you from?
Italy. Have you seen a fowl before? Live like this before? This your friend. Look at the boy.
You don't want to make